This is the Cushion Hangsell. Today we're going to be looking at some fixes to some issues that may occur to the object when installing in store. Our first one is if the tab to the top of this shelf comes out of the rear of the hangsell. You can see the locking tab has come loose. This is a very easy, quick fix. What needs to happen is you need to push the middle of the back panel inwards and you'll hear a click. This little tab will pop behind the back panel. You'll push this tab down and it will lock itself in place. Nice and easy and will not move. The second issue that more commonly will occur is the lower shelf will come out of its locking tab on the rear of the hangsell, like so, and may hang down. In order to fix this, you need to find the lower slot on the shelf and this tab on the rear of the hangsell. Firstly, push the lower shelf with its wings back up into position. Push it slightly further than level, so it is above the rear locking tab on the back of the hangsell. You can see situated at the back there. Then what we're going to do is push the rear tab inwards so it pushes itself into line with that slot on the back of the shelf, and then we're going to drop down the shelf onto that rear tab so it sits like this. And there you go, fixed lower shelf. The third issue that you may come into contact with is this clip may come undone at the front of the shelves, and the shelf may be hanging down like so. If this happens, be sure to push the wings of the shelf inwards and slide them up into position. Push this tab at a 90-degree angle to the shelf and slot it into this slot on the lower half of the shelf front. When you see this, once you've done this, you'll hear a nice click, and the shelf is back into position. And there you go. That is a fix for the 3 most common issues that may occur to your hangsell once installing.